Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you about Boston Whaler's 2019 270 Vantage dual console, and it's one of our best sellers down here, and I'm going to show you why. As you look at the profile, it's got a gorgeous profile. You've got the stainless steel insert in the rub rail with the silver pinstriping down by the waterline, and it's got a nice V hull in the designs and the lines, and it rides fantastic. As we come back up, you're going to see it has a hard top on there, which covers completely from one side of the boat to the other, which is keeps you in the shade while you're up on the front seats. And if you want the sun, you can be in the back of the boat, or you can be on the front of the boat. So as we move towards the back of the boat, you're going to see that it's powered with Mercury has just come out with the brand new. It's a V8 Dorado twin 250s, the new style. The new style is it's a lot less as far as weight. It's quieter, less vibration. It's just as good as it gets when it comes to engines, and it's going to make this boat run at top performance. It's going to hop on plane, and top end's going to be close to 50 miles an hour. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are up on board the 270 Vantage. Let's start at the back of the boat. If you were, this does have the fishing package on it, so it does have the rod holders in the back. If you are fishing, nice leaning post here. If you're going out for the day to the beach or for a ride or sunset, and you're not going to fish, all you do is pull this seat out. Real comfortable. You can put 3 adults comfortably here. Very, it's got the high back on it. Very comfortable seat to sit in for a long day on the water. It's a lot less stressful on your bod. So let's move back around to this side, because it does have the fishing package. Here's where your live well is, right here. So it does two things very well. It keeps your bait alive in there, and if you're not fishing, it's a good place to fill it up with drinks, and you can ice it down, and it's self-draining. So it does two things very well there. As we move over to this side, we've got a little prep area here, place to keep utensils and different things, self-draining as well. Pull-out sprayer. And you've got the Yeti Cooler that has a tray in it. That slot pulls out, easy access, and when you're done, it's out of the way. Fantastic location for the cooler. Now this seat here, if you're just hanging out and you've got a place that you can put a table right here, so you can have drinks and everything, and right for 2 people very comfortably right here. And then we can actually put this all the way down, and you can lounge facing the rear, or if you want to lounge facing forward, you just take this, and now it can lounge facing forward. So fantastic setup, the way that this whole chair works. It does a lot of things very, very well. As I move this back here, you've got the head. So we've got a vacuum flush head, which is the top of the line head. It's got a canvas package, as you see down on the floor, as a pull-out spray faucet for rinsing yourself off. It does have a skylight up here for getting extra light down. As we move over to the helm, the boat has a digital throttle and shift. It's got all your gauges right here. Plenty of room for a large GPS chart plotter up here. You can pick out whatever you want, whether it's a Garmin, a Ray Marine, a Simrad, whatever it is. Here's your Fusion stereo, all your rockers right here. Very comfortable helm seat. Let's move to, you do have this here where we can, big storage. So fit a lot of dry goods in there. You can fit all your jackets and everything else. Plenty of room in there. And then as we move forward, nice seating up here. 2 very comfortable lounges. You can put 4 adults very comfortably up here. Drink holders all around. And then also we have, you can pull this out. Your anchor is in here, and I can pull this ladder out. So when we go to a beach, you can deploy the ladder. You can bring it right up onto the beach. You can get down into the sand and not have to get in and out of the back of the boat, getting in the water, getting wet. So we use the ladders a lot down here, especially boarding onto getting on and off the boat at the beach. And when you do that, it's got a little sprayer in here. You can wash the sand off your feet. It keeps it from getting in the boat. And this is, again, one of our most popular boats down here. It does the backwaters well, but it also takes the Gulf waters very well. It does both exceptionally well. So if you've got any questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.